family thing. You know, my cousin got me into it. I started working on it from there. Trying from All City. And last year I was third All City. I'm all regional this year, and I went to state. You know, preparation starts right now. You know, I'm just working with the team, just trying to get everything done. Practice. I'm planning actually to take state next year. It's an accomplishment I want to achieve. Just working on it.
Great.
Any college right now, as long as they give me a partial scholarship or any scholarship, will be fine.
Marshall as a captain, he's always there to support us in our matches. He always tells us what we did wrong and what we did good. He tries to motivate us and he shows us what we can do to win our matches.
Marshall, he's a great athlete. He has a great sportsmanship. He congratulates every opponent and wrestles every match like his last. He motivates us a lot. He keeps the team going. He's a well-disciplined wrestler. We could play around with him and he won't get mad, but when the time comes, he acts serious.